And we have a response from the Health Minister, Dr. Christopher Tufton. Speaking to TVJ News, Dr. Tufton defended his ministry's handling of the dengue outbreak. He argues that an outbreak could not be declared before it was clinically correct to do so. Dr. Tufton says the approach taken by the epidemiologists was of international standard.
It is not an absolute situation in that it assumes that there are some cases that are not reported. It assumes that some doctors may just treat. In fact, the majority of dengue cases are so mild that if you turn up at a doctor, you have a headache, you have a fever, there is a suspicion that it could be dengue, a doctor may just administer the Panadol or the Cetamol, encourage you to rest and to rehydrate, and don't report. So it is not unusual for cases that are not reported.
Dr. Tufton adds that as a result, the ministry has been proactive for the past 4 months.
That despite the activities of the season and the surge in dengue cases, we have been able, based on the measures that we have implemented, to contain it sufficient to have only 800 plus cases, as opposed to 2016 when we had some 2,600 cases.